Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be looking at how you can install and run Stable Diffusion. With Stable Diffusion, all you need to do is input a text prompt, and this AI model will help you generate truly impressive images. Currently, large companies are actively pushing forward the development of this model. I truly appreciate it as well, considering the benefits it brings. You can use Stable Diffusion for free, as it is open source and grants you full control over your generated images. Above all, before installing Stable Diffusion, you might want to try it out on the web. You can access Hugging Face to try out Stable Diffusion. You can input some text and click on Generate, and it will display 4 different images. It's truly amazing, isn't it? So why would you want to install Stable Diffusion when you can use it directly here? Well, you may want more advanced options and better control over your generated images. We will install Stable Diffusion on Google Colab. If you're not familiar, Google Colab is a free website where you can install AI models. It also provides free GPU access, which is fantastic, isn't it? And at least you should ensure that you have 10 GB of storage space on Google Drive. Because this software will link to your Google Drive. Please access the link below to obtain the installation links for Stable Diffusion on GitHub. To install, click on the first link. Start the Google Colab runtime, press the Run Cell button, and follow the steps for Google Drive security authentication. Once everything is set up, run the final cell to start Stable Diffusion. It may take around 10 minutes, so you might want to grab a cup of coffee while waiting. After that, it will display a link for you to access the UI web interface to interact with Stable Diffusion. You can input some text, click on Generate, and finally, we can see the results. Isn't it amazing? Currently, Stable Diffusion is using the default model. You can download your favorite models. Different models indeed generate images with different styles. There are models suitable for creating anime-style images, while others are suitable for creating images of ruins. Depending on your preferences, you can choose different models. Sometimes, the generated images may contain unwanted details. Well, the negative prompt can help address that. You can input what you don't want to appear in the image here. You can adjust some settings, such as the sampling rate. The higher the sampling rate, the more detailed the generated image will be, but it will also take longer to generate. The default value is 20. You may want to try out various different options, but for now, I will keep the default values as they are. Right here, you have a few other settings available. One option is to enable face restoration in case the faces appear distorted. You can try enabling this feature to see if there is any difference. You can adjust the width and height of the image. Larger images require more computational resources. Currently, the generated image size is set to 512 by 512 pixels. Here, you can set the number of images you want to retrieve as output. In this case, I selected 6 images. Additionally, there is a parameter for concurrent image processing. With this option, you would need a high-performance PC. However, since Colab has limited resources, I will leave this value as 1. Another option is the CFG strength. This determines how closely Stable Diffusion aligns with the prompt. Increasing it will make the generated images more aligned with the prompt, while decreasing it will make them more creative. Therefore, I chose a value of 7 as a reasonable option. Lastly, the seed is set to -1, which means that each time Stable Diffusion will generate different images. Sometimes, you may want to set a fixed seed value when you want to create a specific image that is consistent across multiple runs. If not, you can simply leave it at the default value. Here, I click on Generate. And my image is completed. Except for a few images, it looks alright. I hope you can create impressive images with Stable Diffusion. If you find it enjoyable, you can leave a like and subscribe to the channel to watch the latest videos. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.